Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. If you have any questions after the call, or more importantly, more specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. So you may wonder, and I would venture to say you have wondered, what separates a top performing freight sales agent from the rest of the pack? Good question. Well, in most cases, it's because they apply a number of successful actions in their daily routine. Here's my list. Again, here's my list of the best actions of top performing freight sales agents. If your goal is to become a member of this group, a highly touted group, then perform as many of these actions as possible. Believe me, when you do that, you will see the success that you are going after and requiring and desiring. Remember, when you're calling your prospects and customers, as you're going along and seeing success in this profession, to be ready and willing to accept criticism. Be ready and willing to accept criticism, not only from your prospects and your customers, but also from other individuals that are close to you, but specifically in your profession. I give Jesus Christ as the best answer for one who accepted criticism. He was the only one of his kind during the time that he lived. He was doing things, performing miracles that people just, they could not conceptualize in their mind. When we do that, then if we see something that we don't understand, we usually criticize it. So when people are seeing you doing things that they don't understand, they're going to criticize you. So remember, when you're calling your prospects and customers, be ready and willing to accept criticism. You will not be successful unless you are not criticized for what you're doing. Again, remember, Jesus Christ is the greatest example for this. Do you have any questions about what I just went over today, or more importantly, because of what I went over today, so you can see the training that I provide, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Yes? Then give me a call. I'm Ted Keys. My number is 626-309-9141. Great talking to you today. Take care. God bless. I'll see you all again next week on my Tuesday conference call. Take care, God bless, and goodbye.